Some heart attacks can be sudden and intense, some start slowly with little pain and discomfort. Please immediately call your doctor if you experience any of these signs. It could be a heart attack, and the most of them are life-threatening. The warning signs of a heart attack. Chest discomfort. Chest pain is most common symptom of a heart attack, and it can last for a few minutes. You will feel like tightness and heavy pressure on the middle of your chest, like an elephant sitting on your chest. Pain that extends to your arms. The pain mostly starts from the chest and spreads to the left arm or left side of your body, but sometimes only arms pain can also be a heart attack. Snoring. It's a normal thing to snore, but sometimes a very loud snoring which sounds like a whistle or choking can be a sign of sleep apnea. It happens when you stop breathing on several times during sleep. It puts a lot of pressure on your heart. Sweating. If you feel a lot of discomfort on your chest and feel immediate sweating on your face or forehead, it's most probably a sign of heart attack. This is the initial stage of a heart attack, and never take it lightly. Stomach pain. Most of the times people mistake stomach, which could be due to heart attack, with heartburn or a normal stomach infection. Sometimes abdominal pressure could also be a sign of heart attack. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.